Hey, so I am going to get this video underway of some new boots that I got from Amazon. Bear with me. Y'all know I just be doing these videos like on the fly. I do not edit them because I want it to be, like true to the feeling. I want y'all to feel it with me. I want it to be like real. Like we chilling together. Y'all my peeps. So, let me just move some things around, get some things together, turn this fan off because I know you can hear it in the background, and we're going to get to the unboxing of these boots. I'm a little late with this video, y'all. I apologize, but I haven't been feeling too good. I've been really sick. Had like a really bad stomach virus or something all week where I'm not gonna go into details because but I just haven't been feeling good, so I'm late with the video. I apologize, but let's get into it. So again, you guys, from the same company as all of my other boots, well, all my other boots, my two other shoes. This from Qupid. These, I believe, were $11. Again, link will be in the video. So these are a little different. These are not any type of like heels or stilettos or anything like that. I went with some really nice casual fall winter boots. So we are going to see what they look like together, and I'm going to try them on for you. And yeah, so again, this time they sent that box in a box. Y'all see that? Y'all see they sent the box in a box? All the last times they had the box in a bag. So I guess your third pair, you get treated like VIP. So again, Qupid. And again, these were $11. Again, link will be posted. So here we go, y'all. Ooh, really nice. So let's take a look at this pair together. So this, so this one is a long black. It feels like a suede type of leather feel. A little closer for you there. It's have a buckle. They did have some paper over the buckle, so at least they are trying to make sure it doesn't get scratched up or anything like that. There's a zipper right here on the side for you so that you can glide that bad boy on real nice and easy. And a small little chunky heel, probably like about like a little 3-inch heel there, I would say. So and they're supposed to be like up to the knee. So if I hold it up to my foot, you can see that it does go over the knee. So let's try them on. All right, let's take the paper out of the inside of the shoe. And first, is this even, okay, this is the right foot. Now, you guys, I don't like socks, so I'm just gonna throw this bad puppy on. Oh, again, y'all should know by now that's been watching my videos that Qupid shoes only go up to a size 10. So these are a size 10. The highest that they go up to, no 10.5, no 11, no 12. So I'm sorry, Bigfoot women. I apologize. I'm sorry. So we're gonna zip them up on the side, and ooh, I like these, y'all. Yeah, I like these. Y'all like them? I think they're cute. Let's put the other one on and see what they look like. I like them so much. I'm gonna put both pair on. Again, if you forgot already from 4 minutes ago, these are from Qupid. Qupid is on Amazon, you guys. They're a company on Amazon that sells shoes. Now, I went onto their website the other day and they have all kinds of shoes. They have dress shoes, boots, sneakers, sandals, anything ranging from the price of $9 to about $50. is their price range. So you sort of gotta look through and look for what you're looking for, but you will come across some really nice cheap shoes. Again, these were $11, y'all. $11, and look at them. I like them. $11. Amazon, y'all. $11. So yeah, I'm very satisfied. They have a very satisfied customer. I will be buying more from them. They're very comfortable, y'all. I can wiggle my toes. I can wiggle my toes. And that is so important. Wiggling your toes. Yes. Love them. These my faves. My faves. Again, thank you. Again, go on there, go onto Amazon, type in Qupid. That's with a Q. Qupid. Qupid, not with a C. Q. And search the shoes that they have. Again, they have heels, booties, they have boots, sandals, sneakers, ranging anywhere from $9 to $50. Buy them as soon as you see them, because I saw some heels that were $9, and 2 days later they jumped up to $50. So if you see them, get them, because they will raise the price. I'm telling y'all. So yeah, loving them. I'm gonna have to give them a good, test them out there, but I really like them, and I hope you guys like them too.